Hello everyone, myself Mr. Pulaki Bhavashukre Shikshan Samsthas, Babasaheb Marathi College Rajapur. Today's lecture also we have see the topic nomenclatures of organic compounds. In these topics, we have see the how will you given the IUPAC nomenclatures of one of these example is alkene. Some points which are very important like the locant containing the position of double bond is placed immediately before the prefix ene. 2-butene is correctly written as but2ene. And this part we have seen in last lectures. Similarly, double bond is equidistant from the two ends. Then the carbon atoms are numbered from the end is nearest to first branching. We have see here in these examples branching at this side, it is not this side, but we have numbering of this chain like a 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So these two position having the substituent as methyl given lowest priority number, but the numbering we have start like these directions like 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So these directions we have given the number is this line, but this black color black colored IUPAC nomenclatures like 2-methyl, hex, and then 3-ene, third position having carbon-carbon double bond. So 3-ene, this is a correct name of that molecules. So 5-methyl number is from this side. So number like this 5-methyl, it is not given the lowest priority number to this substituent of methyl group, and hence these nomenclatures which is not correct given the IUPAC name. Then next part we have see the IUPAC names of the alkynes molecule. You know that alkynes having a carbon-carbon triple bonds. Alkynes are given the IUPAC name are similar to alkenes. Only difference is that ane of the alkane which is replaced by yne. All rules of alkenes which are same to the alkynes. Only difference is the of alkane name of alkane ane replaced by yne. Now we have seen in these examples like this is numbering start from any one carbon because both carbon having a similar. So this is 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 and 2 position having a carbon-carbon triple bond and parent name is a butane. So ane replaced by yne. So but 2 yne. But means the parent name of alkane is a butane. So but ane replaced by yne. Which position? Second position. 2 yne. The next molecules we have see is here. The numbering start from this carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So hexane as the parent alkane, right? And this third positions it having the one of the substituent, we can write the before the name of parent alkane, and one position having a carbon-carbon triple bond. So name is given as like the 3-methyl. Then name of parent alkene is hexane. So hex, which position? 1 yne. So 3-methyl hex YNE. Next molecules we have seen here like this. The number is start from this carbon because it is a lowest priority given to carbon-carbon triple bond is here. We can write the numbering on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number are there. So this is not correct numbering. This side is a correct numbering. Therefore, the name is given like the 5 position having a 2 substituent methyl. So 5 dimethyl, 2 methyl, therefore dimethyl, hex 6 carbon, therefore hex, and 2 position having triple bond, so 2 YNE. Right? Then next molecules we see is here like, so firstly you can select the longest chain of alkanes. So these chains are here like this. So number is given for that alkane. Start from this carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So parent name is alkane is a octane due to 8 carbons. And third positions or third carbon, it is one of that substituent is a methyl. So naming starts like this. Third position, so 3 methyl, 3 position having the methyl, so 3 methyl, and name of parent alkane is octa 1 4. This is 1 position having carbon carbon triple bond and 4 position having also carbon carbon triple bond. So 2 carbon carbon triple bond, that times we are use the word as a di, tri, tetra or so on, but it is here the 2 carbon carbon triple bond, so di, right? Which position? 1 position and 4 position. So octa 1 4 diene, YNE, DIYNE. Di means 2, YNE. What is alkyne? So YNE. So this is the correct name of alkyne. Next molecules. Now we are C is here for those molecules given the IUPAC name. For firstly you can select the longest chain of alkyne like this. So this we can select the longest chain is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Why it is a select to this longest chain? Because the carbon-carbon triple bond and carbon-carbon double bond which are in a straight chain of molecules. So number is given like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have C is here. The carbon number 4 and carbon number 3 are the substituent. Which substituent? 1, 2, 3. So propane substituent is also 1, 2, 3. Propane substituent. So which substituent? Propyl. So 3 and 4 position having a propyl group. How many propyl group? 2. So di. So 3, 4 dipropyl. Dipropyl. 1, 3 position having a double bond. So and 5 position having a triple bond. So 3 and 4 position having the substituent. Which substituent? Propyl. So 3, 4 dipropyl. 2 propyl, therefore dipropyl. 1, 3 hexadiene. Right? Parent name is alkene is hexadiene, D-I-E-N, right? hexadiene. 5 position triple bond, so 5 YNE, 5 wine, right? So this is a IUPAC nomenclature of such a molecules. Next molecules IUPAC names are, the numbers start from these carbons. So alkene is preferably first numbering as compared to the alkynes. In these molecules, we are C is here. The numbers, any one student's number start from this carbon and going to this side. Start from this carbon and going to this side. Is not correct numbering. Numbering is given such as the alkene is first and then alkyne is the next. In these molecules also we have C is here, the alkyne is here and alkene in the chain. So numbering is start like this carbon, not this carbon, because the number we have start this carbon. How will you effect on these molecules? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not correct numbering. So numbering is like this. So 5-ethyl hepta 1,3,6 trine. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon carbon triple bond. So trine. 5-ethyl hepta 1,3,6 trine. So this 5 position having which group? Ethyne. So 5-ethyl nil hepta. Hepta means 7 carbon is here. So hepta 1, 3 and then 6 having carbon carbon double bond. So 1, 3, 6 dine. Sorry, 1, 3, 6 trine. Right? 3 carbon carbon double bond. So trine. 1, 3, 6 trine. The next molecules we have given the nomenclatures. This is the numbering. We start from alkene side. So 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is the next carbon carbon triple. So number start like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. So this is a longest chain we can select of the alkene. So how will you given the number, sorry, how will you given the name of such molecules are like the 1 position having carbon carbon double bond, 3 position having carbon carbon double bonds and 5 position having a carbon carbon triple bond, but 4 position having the one of these alkene molecules. Which alkene molecules? Ethene. So name is given as like the 4 ethynyl. What is the substituent? Ethynyl. 4 ethynyl hepta 7 carbon. So it is a hepta 1, 3 diene 1, 3 diene and 5 YNE 5 wine. So this is a correct name of the structures. So any one students start the numbering like this side: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is not correct numbering because I already tells us that the numbering is start from alkene is preferably and then next is alkynes. Therefore, numbering is start from these carbons, which is correct numbering. Okay, so this is correct.